What's going on, campers? Chopsy Doodle coming at you with another Cryptid Camp video. Today we're going to call it Redemption Day. Today is the day that we're going to go back and reattempt to pull the cereal from all of the things we haven't pulled the cereal from yet. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Start off with pack number 1. What is it going to be, guys? What's it going to be? Elemental Campfire. We got 5 more cracks at this. Oh, I thought that was it. Nothing. Remember, these ones are all going to be hollow. Can we just get lucky, please? Nope. Alright. My last attempt at an elemental fire. Doesn't look promising. Alright, well, I'll be honest, out of all the ones that I still hadn't hit, that's probably the one I wanted the least. But still sad. That means I've gone through 20 of the elemental campfires and still have not pulled a cereal. I do have 5 more packs, but maybe we'll get to them another day on redemption number 2. Alright. Come on. Let's get some real redemption here. I can't call this a redemption video if we don't actually have some redemption. Give me some redemption, baby. Nope. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I think these ones need to be blue on the border for them to be the full. Okay, come on. No blue border. Another reverse hollow. Okay, come on. Give me your strength. Channel that strength. I'm seeing red. Yep. Alright, last pack magic. See how magical it is. You gotta subvert your expectations, just in case. Yeah, it's red. Well, still no redemption on the redemption episode, so here we go. This is the one that I really want, so please. Because here come the men in black. Thought that was it for a second. God, these still look gorgeous, though. Here come the men in black. I never watched the newest one. I've seen 1, 2, and 3, but I don't think I've seen the newest one. I don't know if I want to be honest. Okay, come on. No, eh? Wow. Well, you know, maybe that horseshoe that's been in my bum bum has finally dissolved. I think it has finally dissolved, guys. What do you think? Yeah. Well, if it's not in this one, alright, we're going back in for more. I want this MIB, so we gotta open all the packs. I guess we gotta open all the packs. I might have to buy more. I just want to see now at this point. I'm curious. Did I even get one with the 25 packs? Doesn't look like it. Or am I just going to be, or is it going to be the last pack? Is it going to be one of those last pack things? Another full. Another reverse. I don't know, guys. This is not looking good. Let's just put it that way. Oh my god. You've got to be joking me. Second last pack. Second last pack, guys. Holy. That's the least lucky I've been on these monthlies. I don't even know. That makes me want to try the rabbits now to see if I got one. $62 of 100. Can you believe that? I cannot believe that. I didn't think there was going to be one in there. Alright, well that's making me want to try the rest of my rabbits now too. Here we go. Wait. Okay. Okay. That's funny. That's really funny. Number 54. Wow, guys. I really had to scrape to the bottom of the barrel for these ones. But oh my god. I got them. That makes me wonder if I should keep scraping for the elemental. I do have 5 more packs. Let's do it. Let's keep scraping for the elemental. This is a redemption app, so. Alright, scrape me up an elemental, baby. That one felt super curvy. I thought it was going to be it for sure. Oh, drop that. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Redemption episode successfully redeemed. Look at that. Still got a couple more of those to spare too, which is nice. Okay. Well, so I had to put those things away. We got our elemental campfire, number 40. Was it 41? 44? 44. 45? 45. 45 out of 100. MIB 62. Look at that MIB. And then explosive rabbit 54. Redemption episode successful. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you. This is Chopsy Doodle, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drop a like, sub if you haven't and you're feeling it. I will be doing more. I've got lots more videos coming. I am moving, but hopefully I figure everything out. Keep uploading while I can. Love all of you guys. Peace.